What is up guys, welcome back to another kicks fix video. So for this video I have another unboxing, you know how I do, only unboxings these days. So it's a Jordan 1 mid. First time I got myself a mid. This colorway really tempted me to go for a mid, and you know, I wasn't really a fan of mids because I don't know, just when you always have like highs, the mids look a little bit funky, a little bit weird, but I saw this colorway and it was just so damn sexy. I was like, shit, I need this colorway. Yeah, so just let's get into the front of the box. It says Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, I believe. Yes. And the color is Coral, Stardust and Club Gold. Color code, style code 852542600. I got them in a size 9, which is European 42.5. Yeah, as you know, I always put the stickers right in the corner. For those that don't know, if you leave the sticker inside your shoe on the insole and you wear them for 1 or 2 times and you think like, oh shit, let me get it out, you're not probably able to get it out, and if you can, it'll leave some nasty ass stickiness which your sock is going to stick to every time you wear them and take them out or put them on. So no bueno, just take them out. That's what I always do. As you guys also might know, I keep my kicks in bags just to preserve them. So I already wore these a couple of times. Took them to my trip to Antwerp. Still saying a little bit weird. So such a banging ass colorway, and as you can see, I'm wearing the Coral Stardust matching baseball jersey. So clean. I got these from Okium. Shout out to my boy Tommy. Thanks a lot for holding it down for me. I originally just wanted to get these. They arrived. Just focus on the kicks for a bit. No, not gonna focus on the kicks. Let me hide. Yeah, a little bit. Well, they arrived at the Foot Locker I work at, but it was only one size, a size 9, and well, the better size always is like a 9.5. So I was first hoping more sizes would come in, but that didn't happen. Just the 9, and I was like, damn, if they're still here after the weekend, I'm gonna get the 9. So I got to work on Monday and I was searching for the box, like, where did I put it? I put it right here, right? And I told only one guy that it was there. So when the dude came, I was like, bro, where did you leave the kicks? He's like, yeah, I had to sell them. I was like, what? Sell them? Why? Like, yeah, it was for some dude from the head office and he ordered them and delivered them to our store. I was like, shit. So then I was like, alright, never mind, because I wanted to get them at my work because of the employee discount. None of the other sites that had them in stock had discount on them yet, so I was like, shit, you know what, fuck it, I'ma just pass them, and who knows, they might end up on my path. So then a couple of weeks later, I really wanted to have them. I wanted to cop this pair, and I went to I looked online, saw some sites that had them. Then at this Friday, one time I was in the city center of Rotterdam, going to 7 Ply, my sponsor for skateboarding. I always chill there, and I was like, wait, maybe Okium has them. So I checked on my phone. I saw the website had them, but I wanted to wear them for Antwerp. I was leaving the next day, so I couldn't order them. and it was raining pretty hard, and I was wearing some, which shoes did I wear? They were suede, and I really was not happy that it was raining, so I really wanted to just go to the store my girlfriend cuts hair at. She's a hairdresser, a really good one. Instead of first going to Okium, then going there, because it's the opposite direction, and you know, I didn't want to expose my kicks to rain any longer. So I went to Okium. I was like, you know what, let's just check it out. They had them in a size 9, but he could give me his employee discount. So I was like, yeah, gotta get them now. And they had this baseball jersey, kind of like a suede feel it has. It's not suede, it's something synthetic, I guess, but it feels really soft and nice. So I had to get them both. Also like the hoodie, by the way, but it was, I think it was 100, and this jersey was 60 or something. So I thought that was a really good deal. So to get into the kicks a little bit more, sorry, I've been talking a lot already. They're dressed up pretty much the same as most SBs are, with leather and suede combined. I really like this combination. Leather on the toe box, suede on the mudguard, really soft suede too, by the way. Leather on the side panels, suede swoosh, leather on the back tabs. Yeah, it's just so clean. Overall, there's not too much to say about the kick itself. It's just coral Stardust everywhere and some gold accents on the swoosh, the wings logo, the tongue, and on the inside. Not sure if you can see that. Yes, the gold Jumpman. Well, gold, yeah, it's not shining, but pretty much is a gold colorway, a little bit mustard like. Wore them a couple of times. You know, I clean the soles. That's how I do. To compare them to a high, you know, I've probably seen this, but it actually is a really small difference. Like if you look at it like that, it's not really visible that great. Right, like this. It's like, what is it? Maybe 1 centimeter. It's a really small difference. Like pretty much the top of the lining is aligned with the back tab of a high model. And what is a really big difference is this whole heel back tab. That's a lot higher. That's also the thing that most people don't like about mids. Maybe also the tongue. The tongue is different too. It's a wider tongue, or maybe not even. They're both pretty wide, but you know, this is the OG tongue, and this is more like, yeah, non-OG. But since I got this pair, I'm into mids a little bit more. I was thinking about getting the kind of defining moments pack ones with the black patent leather, white leather toe box and gold swoosh, but I thought it was a little bit too much. Also my girlfriend didn't really like him, so I was like, nah, alright, I'm gonna pass on those. Sneakiness is coming up, so a lot of cool kicks are going to be there. I'm thinking about copying some classic Air Max 1s. Always, yeah, you know, classic Air Max 1s, it's already like how I say it, they are classic. I mean, the kicks I seen when I was younger and couldn't afford, so I hope I can find one in my size for a nice price too, because sometimes the prices are a little bit high at Sneakiness, but who knows, maybe I can work something out with one of the sellers. So really looking forward to that. Let me know if you want to see like kind of a vlog steez of me doing it like that. I'm thinking about bringing my camera, but maybe just to make a short impression video, or if you guys really want to see a vlogs video, I might do that. I'm still thinking about it, but if a lot of you guys like, yeah, do that, I want to see that, I probably will. So for now, I think it's time to get these Coral Stardust babies on feet and show you some cool B-rolls. Here we go. Alright, so those were the B-rolls. I hope you liked them. If you did, please like, subscribe and hit that bell too. At the moment I'm recording this, I'm not having a winner yet for the contest, because Sneakerjagers is going to share my video as well, and that's why I wanted to extend the contest a little longer. So in the next video I will announce who has won the contest. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. I am out.
Hey.